Today we are going to be playing the steady beat. The steady beat always stays the same, so an example of a steady beat could sound like this. Steady beat, oh, steady beat, oh. We are going to start with an introduction, so during the introduction, you can move. Introduction is music before the melody begins. Once the melody begins, we're going to start rhythm. Get ready, here we go. Steady beat, oh, 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 dance break. Get ready. Here we go now. Steady beat, oh, 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 dance break. Move in your spot. Get ready. Steady beat, oh, 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 dance break. All right, my friends, today we moved to the steady beat.